Do you know how to make egg, dairy and sugar-free biscuits? For sugar, we're using stevia leaf. Add cinnamon powder. Add salt. And now we mix that one all together. Add margarine, room temperature. Bind it together to form a dough. This is what you do to make sure that the dough is ready. Prepare the baking trays. Here you can use your own cutters, but here I'm using mooncake molds. So now I need to make the dough into small balls, and then after that I use the mold on them. This is mooncake mold. So they're quite easy. So what I need to do normally is just put this in it. So you just want to make sure you close it. Now let's see what's going to happen here. So I'm just going to put this here, and then you can see what it does. So look at that. How nice and lovely are these? They're beautiful, aren't they? Let's do another one. Now I made another one, and now they're all ready to get into the oven. Bake them at 170 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes. Enjoy! Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.